elevator at University of Manitoba. Oh, there we go. This floor is rough. There's the amuse light. It's an antique OTIS. Oops, just gonna take this on one end. Oh, it opens up over here. This is really cool. This is actually a freight elevator, so we're only going to take it on one ride. Normally I wouldn't ride freight elevators, but since this one's an antique elevator, I had to ride it. This thing is so smooth. It's amazing. These are OTIS Pre-Lexan. I'm not sure if they upgraded those or not, but just to open the gate. And I'm going to get a cab view. Just open the gate a little bit just so no one calls it, but now let's get a cab view. Very nice. You can see up the shaft in here. I would take this thing on another ride if it wasn't a freight elevator. And yes, there's a rear door. I'm not going to open that. Awesome. Oh, this is a heavy door. The last time I came here, the gate was open. This time it was closed. That was a beauty.